Are you here for landlord tenant?
No, Tiffany.
Yes.
Thank you, Tiffany.
Good morning to you. Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, or hoodies, no interrupting the judge or talking while the judge is talking. When the judge wants you to speak, he will prompt to you. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. That's the fairest way I know how to do it. So with that being said, Mr. Ogletree, let's get yours out of the way. Are you ready? I mean, I'm Mr. Taylor. Where's Mr. Taylor?
I'm ready.
Miss Williams Law, are we ready to go?
Ready to go, Your Honor.
All right. Is Miss Loving here, Juliana Loving? Juliana Loving? Let's go with your name, Goodwin. Is that one of your clients, Mr.
Yes, Your Honor. Jamire Goodwin, definitely.
Jamire Goodwin? Are you there?
Yes, Judge.
All right, turn your camera on, sir, please. Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Jamire Goodwin, case number SP 1778608, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
State your name for the record, Mr. Goodwin.
Jeremiah Goodwin.
Good morning, Your Honor. I discussed this case with Mr. Goodwin. At this time, Your Honor, we'd like to maintain a not guilty plea and sentence for a bench trial, Your Honor.
Your appearance, sir. Your appearance for the record and P number, Mr. Taylor.
I'm sorry, Edward Taylor, P57166. I'm so sorry.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial, a pre-trial. I'm gonna give you a trial date of December the 9th, 2025 at 9 a.m. There's nothing further. Mr. Goodwin, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Okay, so I'm good to leave?
Yes.
You're good.
It's December 9th, Mr. Goodwin. I'll be in touch. Take care.
Okay, thank you guys so much. You have a blessed one.
Yep, you too.
This is the city of Detroit versus Rokia Okay. Case number SP 178183771. Appearance for the record, please.
Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Rokia Okay. Ms. Okay, state your name.
Rokia Okay.
Okay, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. This is another trial date, Mr.
Yes, sir.
We have December 9th,
Yes,
9
sir.
a.m.
Yes,
There's
sir.
nothing further. Very good day, Ms. Okay, and best of luck to you, okay?
You can go now, Ms. Okay.
Thank
Ms.
you.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
December the 9th. Best of luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Is Joshua Garrett yours, Mr.
Yes, yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Joshua Garrett, case number U64588322.
Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Joshua Garrett.
Mr. Taylor, SP 1386181, SP 1442691. There you go, Mr. Taylor. Appearance for the record, please.
Okay, Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Joshua Garrett.
Good morning to you, Mr. Garrett. State your name for the record, please. Joshua Garrett. He's on the telephone, I believe. Press star 6 to unmute yourself, please. Joshua Garrett, press star 6 to unmute yourself.
Hello, this is
Yes.
Joshua Garrett.
All right, good morning to you. Mr. Ogletree, your client knows how to sign on, see who Mr. Joshua Garrett is when trial date, okay?
Mr. Taylor, not over the judge.
Yes, yeah, December the 9th, Mr. Garrett, we gotta come back. I mean, we got a trial date.
December the 9th. If there's nothing further, Mr. Garrett, have a very good day. Best of luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Okay.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Romeo Lamar Gray Horton. Strike that state of Michigan versus Romeo Lamar Gray Horton. Case number SX 4589042, counts 1 and counts 2. Parents for the record, please.
Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Romeo Harden. Mr. Harden,
Yes,
state your name for the record, please.
Romeo Gray Horton.
Good morning to you, sir. Today's date and time set for a pre-trial. Yeah, the trial date is going to be December the 9th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Appreciate it. You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, what about,
Your Honor, did Ms. Lovin check in?
I haven't seen her yet. Let's see who this is on the phone. 313-758-8191. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Hey, hey, good morning. I'm Alfred Griffin.
Alfred Griffin, good morning to you, Mr. Griffin.
Yeah. How you doing? Yep.
I shall.
All right, Mr. Griffin, your matter is set for 9 o'clock. I give the officers a half-hour grace period to 9:30. If the officers appear, we'll get you in a breakout room with an attorney. If the officers do not appear, then we'll get you out of here, okay?
Okay.
All right, just sit tight. If you happen to get muted, then you press star 6 to unmute yourself when we call your name, okay?
All right, so you putting me on mute now?
We'll put you on mute now. Press star 6 when you hear your name called.
All right.
All right. All right. Are we ready on Terry Griggs?
I'm ready, Your Honor. Your Honor, I don't see a prosecutor. I don't mind just setting it for a bench trial if you're okay with that.
I'm fine. It's also for you and your client. City of Detroit versus City of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Terry Denise Griggs, case number 316-005-841, SX 455-32752. Parents for the record, please.
Sure, Danny Calabit appearing on behalf of Terry Griggs, who's also on Zoom.
Ms. Griggs, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Robert Green, I'm sorry, Your Honor.
There's the time set for a trial, in a pre-trial. Mr. Calvin, Ms. Griggs, your trial date will be December the 8th. December the 8th at 9 a.m., okay?
At 9 a.m.?
Yeah, not December the 9th, but December the 8th.
December the 8th at 9 a.m.?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, there's no further questions. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
Oh,
Thank you.
you too. Thank you.
What's your name, sir? Sir, what's your name?
Robert Green, I'm sorry, Your
Robert
Honor.
Green, I'm sorry.
And I'm running a little late, I apologize.
All right. You got Zoom, sir. You got the Zoom.
No.
City of Detroit, versus Audie, Ginyard, case number SP 177-39651. Mr. Ginyard, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. We'll also call SP 1250435, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1432029, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 1657511. Mr. Ginyard, state your name for the record, please. Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. My name is Audie Ginyard.
Yeah. All right. So they came in yesterday and it indicated that you were having an issue with making a payment plan. You recently got employed. Is that what I understood? Did I understand that correctly?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so how much time do you need to start getting into a payment plan? We want to be able to make sure that you get your home life together and that's on a decent track, and then start making payments. When is that gonna happen?
Yes, I came down yesterday and restarted the payment plan. I was able to give $100, and I just recently got employed, but I ain't been working in 2 weeks because we waiting on the metal and stuff. So I'll just ask for like at least 2 to 3 weeks to make another payment.
I'm gonna say I'm not even gonna put it in review. I'm gonna say pay by December the 15th. And then I marked allowed payment plan, so they should know. So either get it all paid off or get into the payment plan, all right? Because
Yes,
you're
sir.
not in the payment plan right now. You have to renew that payment plan.
Okay, I thought I did that yesterday, but okay.
No, you have to renew it. They didn't want to put you in the payment plan and then you couldn't make the agreement. So you're gonna have to come down here and renew it, all right?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Congratulations on the job. And you don't have to come back. You need to follow up, make sure that the stuff is closed out like it should be, then you're more than welcome to do that, all right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Okay, Ms. O'Driscoll, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Alexis Nicole O'Neill, case number D8097851. State your name for the record, Ms. O'Neill, please.
Alexis O'Neill.
All right, and that's also called SP 1715488, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1765391. Do you have a retained attorney for this?
No, I need an attorney. I have to talk to nobody.
All right, you need an attorney because go ahead, Ms. O'Driscoll.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jennifer O'Driscoll on behalf of the probation department. So, let's see, it was on October 21st of 2025 that Miss Alexis O'Neill was ordered to submit to drug and alcohol testing as a condition of bond on the Z case. And she did start submitting to that testing. However, she did test positive for alcohol on October 27th and November 5th of 2025.
All right, so she wants us to make an example out of her.
No.
That's what she wants.
No.
Yes, you do.
I'm trying to go back to school.
It doesn't, I mean, that has nothing to do with this.
I got 3 babies. I'm not trying to get in no more trouble, and I guarantee you.
Well, you weren't thinking about them when you decided to go drink and violate the court order. Who were you thinking about then? Or do you have that problem that you just can't stop drinking?
No, I've lost a lot of people. I've been going through a lot. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
You have a problem? Let's get drug treatment court in here, please. I'm sorry for your loss, but this is something you have to be able to manage it without using drugs or alcohol. And if you can't manage it, then you need to step up and say that, and we can get you some help. I'm gonna get somebody in here now that you can speak with, all right?
Okay.
All right, let's get drug treatment for you. Let's pass the matter, and then let's get Ms. O'Neill, an attorney.
I sent that text.
Very good. All right, we'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, do you want her to
Alright.
still continue? Sorry, Your Honor, do you want her to still continue testing once per week?
We're gonna up the testing.
Okay,
We're gonna up the testing. We're gonna amend it to twice per week.
okay, all righty, thank you.
All right, and then we're gonna let her speak to someone from alcohol treatment.
Yeah, for drug court. Okay, all right, thank you, Your Honor.
Very well. All right, thank you, Mr. O'Driscoll.
Thank you.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Form. Let's pass that matter. Is George Rufus Green here? All right, let's go ahead. Emil Lockhart.
Here.
I just say
9:30. All right, Miss O'Neill, it'll be 9:30. Someone's gonna come in and interview, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Emil Lockhart, case number SB 179-23031, SB 179-2316. When it comes to appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lockhart.
Emil Lockhart.
Mr. Lockhart, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Take the scarf off your head unless it's for religious purposes, sir, please. All right. Today's date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, there's also no proof of insurance that should be going along with this. That's not on the docket, okay? It's not on the docket. If it's in default, we're gonna recall that it should have gone on. So give Mr. Lockhart, Mr. Berry's gonna attempt to get you an update at all. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. If you don't speak to Mr. Berry, let us know what you want to do. Yes.
Just hearing other speaking as you're speaking, just muffling the record a little.
All right. Join the room, Mr. Lockhart. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Is Carlin Green here? Great. Let me name these two ones. Let's get a 313-955-7328. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Monte Graves.
313-955-7328. Who's on the phone? 313-955-7328.
He set the trial.
Zoom user.
Yes.
Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? Zoom
Hello,
user.
Dominic Lipscomb.
Lipscomb, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Your matter is set for trial. Give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9:30. The officer appears, get you in the breakout room with an attorney. If the officer does not appear, then we'll get you out of here, all right?
Okay.
All right, Oates, Renita Oates, did I get the pronunciation correct? Is Renita Oates here? Can you run the answers to Renita Oates? Renita Oates. Go on. Jonathan Liddell.
Yes,
In the background. All right, City of Detroit, City of Detroit versus Jonathan Lee Liddell, case number SP 1739341. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor, and good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Liddell. Please state your name for the record.
Jonathan Liddell.
Oh, my.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for Mr. Liddell. I'm gonna break out with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's not necessary. Jonathan Liddell has a valid driver's license. Mr. Liddell, I'm going to dismiss this case, okay?
Thank you.
Provide valid documentation. You still owe the court a nice sum of money, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, there's nothing further. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you. Free to go?
Yeah, you're free to leave. Matthew Love. Matthew Love.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
This is the City of Detroit versus Matthew Love. Its number is SP 171244741, SP 1787981, SP 1781800, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Love, please state your name for the record.
Matthew Love.
Oh, all right. Ms. Spears, Mr. Love, good morning to you, Mr. Love. Mr. Love has a no insurance proof, and it's not on the docket. Another ticket, it seems like he got previously. Give Mr. Love an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Love, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Harris. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Join the room, we'll pass them out. Is that Attorney Michael Lacy?
Yes, it is, Your Honor. How are you today, sir?
Who's
I
your
am
client?
coming here. Yes, I have Mr. Aaron De Jesus Leon, who's here in my office with me. And probably we should speak to the city attorney or prosecutor, I suppose.
Okay, does your client need an interpreter?
Oh, no, he speaks English perfectly.
All right, go to breakout room 4. And
Thank you, Your Honor.
Attorney will meet in breakout room 4.
Thank you so much.
Attorney Calvin, are you there? All right. We're waiting on a lawyer now.
I went to the wrong place, Your Honor. I left the meeting. I didn't see anything for a breakout room. I'm so sorry. Oh, here it is.
You have the ability to move, I'll put you in. I don't see the city attorney in there. They must have left.
Oh.
Oh, I don't. Join that breakout room and wait on the city attorney, please.
Okay, number 4.
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, of course. Mr. Barry, we ready on Lockhart? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lockhart. Mr. Lockhart, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what is your client? He has a valid license, Mr. Barry. Mr. Barry?
Sorry, Your Honor. My client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5 miles over for the speeding matter and dismiss the no insurance proof matter as well as the license matter.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lockhart?
Yes, Your Honor.
I asked you before, do you have a brother named Amir Lockhart?
No, I don't.
Cousin named Amir Lockhart?
No, sir.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsibility in your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client responsible as to the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. Mr. Lockhart, when can you pay it?
As soon as possible. I could have it paid by today or tomorrow.
All right, I'm gonna maybe till at least tomorrow to get it paid. But as soon as you see Limited access 125, Miss Mathis put it in now. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You said the DivDat app?
DivDat, D-I-V-D-A-T.
Okay, and I was sending you over the my road ready, my drive safe completion, and it told me that message was not able to send because it couldn't find the sender or something like that. It said address was not found.
I'm gonna put my email address in the chat again. Did you know that he took that course, Mr. Berry?
I did, Your Honor, and it was a part of the benefit.
You spoke to the prosecutor about that?
I did, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. I just wanted to make sure they took that to account on the offer, Mr. Lockhart. Did you get something out of the course? Mr. Lockhart?
You said, did I get something out of the course?
Yeah, did you get something? Did you learn something from it?
Yes, I learned how to be safer while driving on the road.
I'm glad you got some out of it. You can pay it when you see limited access 1 to 5. You can send me that in the my email address is in the chat. You can send that to me and I'll make sure it gets in your file, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you, sir.
You as well.
This is the city of Detroit versus Torrin DeMarco Greer, case number SB 179-72141. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Greer.
Warren DeMarco Greer.
Good morning to you, sir. Day, date, time set for a pretrial, Mr. Greer. Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Alexis Nicole O'Neill. Ms. Warfield, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please? Put your appearance on the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jessica Warfield, PA 5391, Specialty Court Counsel for 36th District.
Very good. Ms. O'Neill is here. It is alleged that she violated the terms of her bond. And as speaking to Ms. O'Neill, she indicated that she's been dealing with some traumatic issues in her life by loss of some family members. I recognize that as not good, because what it tells me, Ms. O'Neill, is that in order to deal with these and cope with these losses and things like that, you turn to alcohol. But you're shaking your head. You're shaking your head no. But this is what you told me.
Oh, I have been going through a lot, and I'm trying to go back to school and get my life on track. I'm not trying to mess up no more. I don't have a record, nothing. I have 3 babies.
No, I don't understand that. But what I'm saying is, in all of that, you're telling me that the reason why you indicated to me that the reason why you drank alcohol was that you're dealing with a lot and you had a lot of loss and you're going through a lot of things. Did you not say that?
Yes, and what happened was a mistake. Sorry, I apologize.
So what I want you to do is I want you to talk to a professional, and I want you to, she can answer a lot of your questions. I want you to know about our drug treatment court. We have the best drug treatment court in the country. And again, that's not just me saying that they have facts and to back that up. Judge Holmes and Attorney Warfield and the whole staff over there are excellent at what they do. They've trained other courts to do it. And they have a lot of other resources that are available for people that have these issues with alcohol and maybe coping mechanisms and things like that, that I'm not privy to. I just, all I know is that I tell you not to drink, but you defy it and drink anyway. Now, whether that's because you're just, the youthfulness in you, and you feel that you just want to party and have fun and deal with consequences later, or whether that's because you are going through these issues and you're turning to alcohol to cope with those issues. I don't know. All I know is I asked you not to do it, and it's still an allegation. There's not been anything proven on it, and you'll be able to have a hearing on that unless you want to admit to it. But that's going to be when you get an attorney, and they'll deal with that. But I want you right now to talk to Ms. Warfield. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her and have an open conversation with her. All right.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5, Ms. Warfield, and we'll see where it goes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Still waiting on that attorney for you as well, Ms. O'Neill.
Okay.
Join the room. Matter.
Okay.
All right. Let's Mr. Greer, let's go back on the record with Mr. Greer. Mr. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance, and we'd seek dismissal as a result.
I'm going to dismiss the case, sir. It's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. You're free to leave, Mr.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Was Bridget Logan assigned to someone? One of the appointed attorneys have Bridget Logan. City of Detroit versus Bridget Logan. Case number SP 179-1660, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 179-1671, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1799351, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1799523, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1799524, 18-438-489, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Logan.
Bridget Logan.
All right, today is the date time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Logan. Just to get her an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Logan, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. This must be in the wrong file. I don't see anything here, Mr. Berry, that's affecting Ms. Logan from getting a valid driver's license. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay, Ms. Logan?
Yes.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter. Is Kiana here? Who was that gentleman that called on that came in? Graves. Mr. Graves, you got to trial. We'll get confused. I'm going to get the officer. It's almost, the grace period is almost up. So I'll get with you in a second. There was another gentleman.
Mr. Robert Green is in the hallway, Your Honor.
Robert Green. Robert Green, are you on that phone?
Yes.
Okay, Robert Green. Okay, let me get Robert Green. Okay. What is your middle name, sir, if you have one?
Lynn, L-Y-N-N.
Lynn?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, I have
Go ahead. We're just waiting on a lawyer.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer. I'm just checking in. I have to check into Judge Wagner. Well,
Okay, I haven't checked in. And we'll be here. Who's your
let's see here. Grant. D.
You said Grant?
Grant.
Deshaun Grant. Okay. I don't know if Mr. Grant has made it yet, or if he's gonna make it. All right. I don't think Mr. Grant has made it yet.
Okay, I'll check back in, sir.
Very well. All right, that's cut off for officers. Are we ready on your client, counselor?
Yes, Judge.
That's
David Lemaire.
Lemaire.
Yes.
Is Lemaire here?
He is, Your Honor. He's in the waiting room, I believe.
I don't think so.
Yes,
Lemaire,
sir.
are you? Well, all right. Good morning to you.
Morning, Judge.
This is the city of Detroit versus David James Lemaire II. Case number U717-02825. Here for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thomas Stidham, P56504, appearing on behalf of Mr. Lemaire.
All right, Mr. Lemaire, state your name for the record, please.
David James Lemaire II.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Has there been a resolution?
There is not, Judge. The parties are still awaiting some discovery, and I spoke with Ms. Horn, and the parties are requesting to come back for another pretrial in at least 30 days.
I'm going to set a trial date. They don't have it. If you've already got it, they have 21 days to bring it up. So if they don't get it to you, you need to keep this going. We'll readdress it on December the 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m.
And that's being set for trial, Judge?
Yes.
Okay.
And if you have any motions about discovery and they haven't gotten that information to you, or if you haven't gotten it in a reasonable time before the 8th, then we'll deal with that on the 8th.
Judge, I do have a conflict on the 8th. I just looked. Is it possible with I have something in Wayne Circuit? Is it possible that I could come later? We could do it on the 9th?
Yeah, that's fine. 9th is fine.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lemaire, come back on that 9th at 9 a.m. and we'll Mr. Stedham will take care of things on that date. All right. Or we'll get some kind of understanding of how we proceed. All right.
Yes, sir.
And Judge, one last question, if I may. Does the court have a requirement as far as how soon, if there is a motion in limine, the court wants to hear it?
Well, you can address a motion at any time. The court rules give you that that option to do that, and I'll entertain that. But I mean, you know, this whole discovery thing, if they need to get the information if they want to proceed. I mean, that's and they need to have it in a timely fashion, and we're gonna hold them to the court rules unless they have some extenuating thing that calls for some sort of delay or something like that.
Okay, very well, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you. And
Yep.
have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Well,
Good morning, Judge. This is Corporal Whitehead. I got to check into 435.
very well, Mr. Whitehead. You're defendant. All right, Mr. Steadman, Mr. Lemaire, have a very good day, and you guys are free to leave.
Thank you, Judge. Have you
Thank you,
as
sir.
well.
Carlin Green has not appeared yet. We're going to give him a few more minutes to.
I have on the windows on, the rent is on.
Oh, he's here now, so go ahead and check in, and then we'll
He's here?
yeah, he's here.
Okay, no problem. I'm going to check in at 435 and I'll be back.
All right. Right, Mr. Okay, let's and off the record on O'Neill, we're not on the record. Is there anything, because we need to wait on Miss O'Neill's attorney. She requested an appointed attorney at the last court hearing, and that attorney had not contacted her. So, but as far as Attorney Warfield and O'Neill, how was the conversation?
Your Honor,
Is she still-
it was a very pleasant conversation, Your Honor. I explained the program and what our purpose is, and Miss O'Neill was open to it. She absolutely was. She is eligible for our program, but as you have stated, she has expressed that she has requested a court-appointed attorney and would like to continue through the litigation process. I let her know that if she takes a plea or, is found guilty, that I can still circle back and we can pick right back up where we left off and getting her in the program.
Okay, thanks a lot, Attorney Warfield. Appreciate
Never
it.
a problem, Your Honor. Thank you.
No, yeah, one. This client, they say. Yeah, okay. Mr. Barry, let's go back on the record with Miss Logan. Miss Logan, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to 3 matters. The failure to display for the driver's license having been suspended, that ends in 5231. To plead improper plates to the no registration charge, that ends in 4891. And finally, to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the 1 to 5 miles over, ending in 6711.
You want to take the deal, Miss Logan? I can't hear you inaudible. I couldn't hear you.
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, very well. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Speak up, ma'am.
Yes.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial? I don't hear you.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went up over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
Okay.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
All right. Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, not at all.
All right, let me draw your attention back to September the 21st, 2025, at around 1:09 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and Gratiot. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was that your 2014 Ford?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license and insurance?
Yes, I showed ID on my phone.
You showed them what?
ID on my phone device.
You showed them valid insurance?
No valid insurance.
Did you show them a valid driver's license?
No.
Okay, so you know you can't drive with a valid ID, right?
Yeah, I know that.
All right. Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display for not having a license and of improper plate amended count for not having the insurance on the vehicle. Stipulate the probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, as far as sentencing, I'm gonna sentence you to 240 for the failure to display. And I'm gonna sentence you to 120. Oh, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea for the blocking traffic.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm gonna find you responsible for the blocking traffic. And I'll find you 175 for the blocking traffic and 240 for the failure to display. I'm not gonna fine you for the improper plate. I'll cut you a little bit of a break, all right, Ms. Logan?
Yes. Thank you.
All right. When can you pay it?
I get paid tomorrow.
You can pay it all tomorrow?
175?
And 240.
240.
240 plus 175.
Okay. I get paid every 2 weeks.
Here, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna pay it by December the 15th, all right?
December 15th?
I'll even mark the file allow payment plan if you want to get into a payment plan. Either pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or you come down to the courthouse and get into that payment plan by or before December 15th.
December 15th.
And then if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Yeah, okay, one more question.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you say December 15th.
Yes.
I'm just writing things down.
Very well.
December 15th. 175 also.
175 plus 240.
Okay.
And then either pay it, have it paid off by then, or have it or get into that payment plan. All right, any further questions, ma'am?
Okay.
All right, if there's no further questions, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Have a great day.
Thank you. That's good. You have a better. Thank you. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry, and the state of Michigan, versus Robert Lynn Green. Case number SP 165-42782, SX 3958792, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Robert Lynn Green.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Green, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an update offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
He's in there, Mr. Berry. We'll pass the matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Taylor, are you ready on Miss O'Neill?
I am, Your Honor.
Where is Miss O'Neill? Did she come out?
She did not come out. She didn't know how to come out, so she's still in the breakout room, probably.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss O'Neill. Miss O'Neill, I heard you had a good conversation with
Attorney Taylor.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
All right. I understand that you want to at least let Attorney Taylor. You had a good conversation with Attorney Taylor as well.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Do you understand where the court is coming from, ma'am?
Yeah, I do.
You know, it's really imperative that I try to do the best I can to make sure that you're safe, the public is safe, that you're not out there drinking and driving again, or not again, because this is an allegation. I'm not going to suggest that you're guilty of this, but it's some rules to the game, and that's part of the game. You gotta follow the rules. So I'm gonna up your testing to twice a week.
Okay.
Up your testing to twice a week. Now, if we run down this road again, as far as these allegations are concerned, Mr. Taylor, Ms. O'Neill will have an opportunity. I don't know what she wants to do as far as if she wants a hearing on that bond allegation or not.
Your Honor, since I just got on the case, I would like to have some kind of hearing where I can review the discovery, if I could.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set another pretrial date for December the 4th. Yes.
December 4th.
Reflect on the record that Attorney Taylor was appointed to Miss O'Neill.
Okay, we'll let the record reflect that Taylor.
Your Honor, that's not really a good date. Can we do it the 5th?
Okay, December the 5th is fine with me. Let's let the record reflect that you did you put your appearance on the record for Miss O'Neill?
I did. Well, I will if I think I did, but Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Miss O'Neill.
All right. So the pretrial date will be December the 5th, 2025 at 8:30.
At 8:30?
At 8:30. I'm gonna wish you the best of luck. I believe that you're in good hands with Mr. Taylor, and but you have to be accountable to yourself, ma'am. All right.
Yeah, I just was trying to start school. Them other tickets, I paid one ticket, but we coming back for all of those on the 5th.
Yes, we're gonna take care of Miss O'Neill.
Okay, thanks.
I wouldn't suggest you pay any of this. I think you need to just let Mr. Taylor do his thing and concentrate on getting in school. But if we have another allegation, then it's going to be more than just up in your thing to up in the testing. Okay.
Okay.
All right, I wish you the best of luck, Ms. O'Neill, and have a very good rest of your day. And Mr. Taylor, I don't think Ms. Loving has come. You're free to leave, Ms. O'Neill.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Your Honor, does she have to be here? Because
Loving?
I'll waive her appearance if I could and just sit that for the night
Have you
too.
had contact with her? You're free to leave, Ms. O'Neill.
Okay, sorry, thanks.
Yes, Your Honor. I talked to her yesterday, but I think she's working.
All right, well, City of Detroit versus Juliana Loving, case number U73018325. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Miss Loving. For the purpose of this hearing, Your Honor, I would waive her appearance and like to set this for a bench trial.
I'll set it for a trial on, and you indicated off the record that you have had contact with Miss Loving.
I have, Your Honor.
Miss Loving needs to do a better job of informing you or the court what's going on with her, right? So
Understood.
I'll give her a break this time. Come back on, is that December 9th, that trial date, all right?
Got it, Your Honor. Thank you. Take
Best
care.
of luck.
Yep.
All right, so let's go back on the record with Mr. Matthew Love. Mr. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. This is a complete dismissal, Ms.
Yes, Your Honor, it is for compliance reasons.
All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Love, I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you very much and happy holidays.
You as well, thank you. This is the City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Brian Keith Levesky. Case number SP1098192, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Brian Levesky.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Levesky, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Like you already have counsel the right to it. Join the room, you let us know what you want to do.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Counselor Lacey, are you ready on your client?
Your Honor, I am ready, and my client is seated to my right. I've worked out a deal with the city attorney, and my client will be pleading to leaving the scene of a property damage accident, and the rest of the charges would be dismissed pursuant to plea agreement.
Who's your client again?
He is Aaron de Jesus Leon.
K35, Your Honor.
Very well. Good morning to you, Mr. Leon.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Aaron de Jesus Leon. Case numbers SP1778741, SP1779302, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP1779391, and Z8098541. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Michael J. Lacey on behalf of the defendant, Aaron de Jesus Leon.
And Your Honor, I think we may have to revisit our negotiations on this. I didn't realize that the Z ticket, it is on there. So there is a corresponding OWI on this, Mr. Lacey, as we discussed in the breakout room. It's not on the docket sheet, however, I don't think.
Set for payment on 12/5/2025. 1:30. Will you be representing Mr. Leon on this case?
Yes. Is there any way we could do this all today?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's go back in the breakout room and pass this matter, Your Honor, if you will.
I'll pass it before we rearrange your client. I don't know if we're gonna work a deal out today or not. Okay, we'll pass it.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Breakout room 4 again.
Breakout room 4 again.
Yes, thank you so much. I'll talk to you
Thank
in a
you.
second.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Mr. Barry, are we ready on Mr. Green?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Robert Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to the false information as to ID on the basis of a 6-month delayed sentence. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take that deal, Mr. Green?
Hello.
Mr. Green,
Yes, sir.
do you want to take that deal?
Yes, sir. I certainly do.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Green. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you put your hand down. All right. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir, I do.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir, I do.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir, I do not.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Could you repeat that, please, sir?
Has anybody offered you anything other than what we said we'll do today?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 10th, 2024, around 6:56 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of John R. and Edgeville. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
I did.
Were you? Did you, did the officer ask you to provide some information?
Yes, he did.
And when he asked you to provide that information, did you give him the wrong information? You got quiet, Mr. Green. What did you do? Where is it? Did we lose him? I think we lost him. All right, pass the matter, Mr. Barry. We lost him. He's got a. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Step on in. Come on. Step on in.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. Go back on the record with Mr. Green. Just step up to the podium.
Yeah, my
Just step up to the podium, right here, so you can hang the phone
Step
up.
up to the podium. All right, Mr. Green.
I'm sorry.
Mr. Green, I got you. What did you do out there?
Actually, in all honesty, I was caught up in a drug addiction.
Do you still have that addiction, sir?
No, since that time, I've been, I've like treatment center.
How long has it been?
I was in Harbor Light about 2 months ago.
And
About 2 months. I was there, for detox. Treatment was, I would be 30 days. And then after treatment was like 42 days, so about 7.
When's the last time you used?
Since that time, it's been about 5 months, 6 months.
5 months before you went to Harbor Light? I'm not buying that.
No, I'm saying since the incident.
All right. So let me ask you
It was
this.
ended last year, towards last year.
All right. All right. But you were using when you checked yourself.
Exactly, but even before Harbor Light and after the incident, I stayed in addiction for a while before I went to Harbor Light.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. And When did you get out of Harbor Light?
About 2 months ago. I left my certificate out and trying to show you my completion certificate.
I trust you.
Yes, sir.
I just want to make sure that you do not want, you want to talk to somebody from our drug court?
No, I got mentors and stuff like that, so.
Now, how long have you had this addiction?
For some years,
and you've been in treatment before?
Yeah, about 2 times before.
So what makes this time
Different. Well, for one thing, I got more years behind me than I do ahead of me. I'm 60 behind. I have a daughter that's 39. She's watched me in and out of my addiction for many years. And then right prior to this one, the last episode, I had a stint of, I had like about 9 years without any drug. My daughter watched that, and I gained so much, from her, seeing her dad change. Before that, it was, those mom. It
was all about you.
Right. Well, yeah. Well, my mother always said, when you're in addiction, it's a selfish thing.
Absolutely.
So, I understand now it's not just me. When you do things, you commit crime, you're members of society, you're not just affecting yourself. I'm not just affecting you. I'm affecting, my community, and, my family. And so it's just an incentive for me.
Well, by your own rationale, you indicate you've had this daughter all your life, all her life, 39 years.
Oh, yeah.
And you indicated that you went through this 9-year period, then you took that understanding that it was not just affecting you. That was one of your motivating factors, right? But then you still turned around and relapsed. What caused that?
I did. And I know I'm trying to stay away from excuses. Right now my daughter's incarcerated. Good, nice young, beautiful young lady, my daughter is. I probably gonna say that anyway.
I want to make sure I'm getting all of Mr. Green's testimony. If you could maybe speak up or get closer to the microphone. Thank you.
Yes.
Just speak up, just speak up.
Yes, ma'am. And so what I'm saying is, she's got an uncle that's been in and out of prison for armed robbery. He took my daughter, while I was getting married, took my daughter out warm, smoking, using drugs, robbed the cash register. My dad said she didn't know about it. She got 4 years out of that for conspiracy to armed robbery. I believe because she went to store with her at the same time with her uncle. Maybe that had been a stranger. She never had.
The thing about it is, what you're saying is, first of all, you're not really providing me a really reason.
No.
Wait, stop. You're not really providing me really a reason why you relapsed. And I'm just gonna say that you weren't fully committed to the process and the program. And I don't know if 2 months out of Harbor Life and only 70-something days in treatment is gonna really get you there either. I don't know what it'll take. You may not ever get right. I'm hoping and praying it does for you. I'm hoping that this is your last time. But what you basically is, people have to understand is a cycle. And your drug addiction probably is one motivating factor for your daughter's drug addiction.
No, my daughter.
Didn't you not say that she was?
No, her uncle.
Her uncle.
Yeah. So, yeah.
And you know your daughter's not using?
No, my daughter never used anything.
But she's incarcerated from dealing with them.
But her uncle, yeah.
Well, I don't know what's going on.
But even before last one, before my daughter, my ex-wife, they would be like so disappointed. But the last time she had seen that period, that years away from my addiction, and when she got on the phone, she said, "One daughter on the doctor, yeah," and I thought she was gonna really yell on me. She said, "Dad, this is what she," and she never said this in that audition before. She said, "Dad, you come too far to throw this all away." You know what I'm saying?
And that still didn't resonate with you.
It did, and then she got incarcerated because her uncle and I threw everything out the window.
It didn't resonate with you.
It didn't.
It didn't resonate.
But I think I know my key is to be honest with myself and others. You know what I'm
Well, we
saying?
all think that about our kids, but I wouldn't say.
I'm satisfied with my Dixon. I need to be honest with myself first, and then I would. That's why I got no problem with. I'm being transparent about this whole thing.
All right. I just want to know. We're gonna wrap it up. I want to know what led you to so you're out there and you're out there in the street and you gave the officer some false information. Is that correct?
Exactly.
All right, and I'll find you guilty as charged to the false ID, 6-month delayed sentence, $240. Well, let's do this. Let's have you test. Let's have you test. Let's have you test twice a week as a term of probation. All right. We're gonna see if we can help. And it's not to try and see if you're gonna slip up. I'll be rooting for you. But what it is gonna do is gonna give me an idea of where you're at, a little bit of an idea. Because 6 months is not that long, and you've already gone 9 years over. But I want to be able to offer our drug treatment program to you as another outlet. Judge Holmes over there, they do excellent work. I just talked to somebody else and let somebody else talk to our drug treatment coordinator, and they're the best. We're the best in the country. And that's not just me saying that. That's, I don't know if you heard that on the line, but that's the Judge Holmes and their staff have gotten national recognition from the drug treatment court, and they go around to other courts in the country training other courts on how they operate.
Those are very important resources. Can I ask you a question? Because I know
Speak up.
I believe your drug is mattress.
Yes.
Well, I've got some mattresses that I'm.
We're not talking about your cousins.
I'm just saying, no, I'm just talking about because the twin brothers, Dwayne and Dwight Matthews, one has a church on Woman and Puritan. So both of them are my mentors, you know, so I do have some, you know.
Yeah, I got that. You had them cousins all your life and you still went back and used. And I'm not saying that that's not a good resource either, but it doesn't help to have extra resources. They have mental health. I had an individual come in here drunk driving the other day, and he was during his bond before he got sentenced. He ended up using and again, and I sent him to substance abuse counseling. He said that was the best thing that he ever did. He says because that I could ever done for him, because he says one, and I learned a little bit about it. He says one, the AA program, a 12-step program, it teaches you about the here and now. What the triggers, your environment, the people around you, and how to deal and cope with that. He said the substance abuse program taught about the psychology of drinking and psychology of using those, and those things should be going together whenever you sentence. And it made a lot of sense to me. Over there, you have your cousin that's got his programs, and he's a minister and things like that, and you have other resources. Over here, they have professional psychologists and all of that if you run into a situation where you think you're going to relapse, or if you even relapse, you can have somebody to call instantly and they can do those things. That's what Judge Holmes and them are doing on a daily basis, and they're doing a very good job. So I'd be remiss if I didn't offer you that opportunity to do that. All right.
And I really.
Well, all right, and you may have to do it if you don't test them, if you come up dirty on these tests.
Yeah, well, I do that.
Right. We're gonna have you test twice monthly as a term of probation. I'm gonna refer this to probation. The review date will be.
I think it was May.
Oh, May the 14th. And particularly at 8:25, particularly with somebody that tells me they've been dealing with this issue for most of your life, I think you need it, but I'm not going to order it right now. I'm gonna see what you can do, and I wish you the best of luck. I paid the $240. Don't, violate the terms of this and by using anything. And that's, drugs and alcohol. No drugs or alcohol. And then, come back on May 16th, then if everything is good, then we'll dismiss the case. I wish you the best of luck, sir, and we'll be praying for you and your daughter as you family, all right? Absolutely. All right.
A question.
Yes.
How the payments in place, you cannot.
Yeah, it's gonna, if it's paid by May 16th, so you have 6 months.
I see, okay.
All right?
That's fine.
All right, very well. Ms. Mathis is gonna get you some paperwork and we'll get you over to probation. I need a good phone number. Get a good phone number from him too. You can write it down so he doesn't. That'll conclude the hearing, all right?
You want to write it down?
All right, let's go move on.
Officer Wilson.
Mr. Berry, I have Martin Lawson. Is Martin Lawson here?
Oh, it is. Okay, that's fine. Do I have the vice direct? Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir. This is the City of Detroit versus Martin Lawson, case number. Case number SP 1800479, counts 1 and count 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lawson.
Martin Brandon Lawson.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry.
I sent the email, Your Honor. I sent you an email last night.
Keep your arms down. There you go. I didn't get it.
You didn't get my email?
No. Going to breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, right?
Well, the other attorney told me if I send an email the night before, that was enough.
Okay, well, I didn't get the email. I mean, what am I going to do? I just looked.
Can I check the email address?
Pardon me?
Can I
double check? Just go speak to Mr. Berry, okay?
Okay.
He's going to take care of it. He's going to take care of it.
Okay.
All right. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
Pastor. Who's ready? Ms. Harris? Are we ready on Levesky? All right, are we ready on Levesky?
Ready, Your Honor.
Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Levesky. Mr. Levesky, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client was able to present valid insurance and registration.
Mr. Levesky, I'm going to dismiss the case, provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Lovejoy.
Lovejoy is actually in room 3 already, Your Honor. I just thought she was next, so I started to speak with her.
Very well. Very intuitive of you. Okay. I'll let you speak with her. Go ahead.
All right, thank you. Oh, actually, I need Miss Horn, and she's not available at the moment.
Who has Green? Carlin Green.
I just need Carlin Green to join the breakout room because I do have an offer.
All right.
But I'll move to a different breakout room.
Wait. Opal Street, is Opal Street ready on anybody? Waiting on the lawyer.
Excuse me, not this cabin, but the cabin down at the bottom, this cartridges. Grab the box.
No, I did.
Small box. You see anything like long and shorter than that box? Yeah. See this one. I should put that back. Put that back. That's one thing. Oh, I got one. Might have changed the box.
One,
Thank you, officer.
it will never show. Others show. Sign it, vice versa. Ready, sign it, vice versa. Did you read it? You understood? Yes, sir. Very good. Counselor, are you ready on your, Lacey, are you ready on your client?
Yes, Your Honor. He's just going to be arraigned, and then we're going to set it for a new date and take care of everything all at once.
And let's go back on the record with Mr. Leon. Mr. Leon, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, for purposes of arraignment.
Yes. Oh, okay. Yeah, here he is, Your Honor.
Purposes of arraignment.
Yes, for purpose of arraignment, Your Honor, we stand mute and ask the court to enter a plea of not guilty, please.
All right, and you want to address bond?
Your Honor, regarding bond, I would ask for a personal bond, given the fact that as soon as he was arrested, he contacted me, and I have filed an appearance, and he has attended all the court hearings on timely basis, and he has not committed any other, he's not been charged or committed any other crimes in the interim. Yes. And he's not consumed any alcohol either.
We'll see about that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a zero, strike that. I'm gonna give your client a $500 personal bond. I'm gonna have your client start testing 1 time per week. No leaving the state of Michigan without court permission, and no drinking during the pendency of this case. I need a good phone number from your client so probation can contact him. And I also want to give him the number to probation. So Mr. Leon, here's how it's gonna go. You'll test 1 time per week. I understand today is Thursday. You may not be able to get that test in this week. We're gonna try and make all efforts to do so. But I want to test, if we can, get it in next week and every week thereafter until the bond conditions change or the case is dissolved. If there is an allegation of drinking during the pendency of this, we're going to up the ante on the bond. All right, so you need me to explain that to you.
I will, Your Honor.
Very well. You want to take the number down to probation. You shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. But just to have the number just in case. And you have a resource with your attorney, with probation department and the court to make sure that if the probation department has not contacted you, you know that you need to do some work to make sure that we get that in there. I don't want you to just sit back and say they didn't call. So you can put your number in the chat if you don't want to say it out on Zoom.
He'll tell you the number, Your Honor.
Very good.
313-413-1159.
Again, probation should contact you. We're going to set another pretrial date for December the 4th. Is that good with your calendar, Council? December the 4th at 8:30?
Yes, Your Honor.
December the 4th at 8:30. I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Leon. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you. And I'll see you soon, Council.
Your Honor, may I please have that number for probation just in case he doesn't hear from them?
Sorry. 313.
Yes.
965.
965.
313-965-3414.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a good weekend.
You have a better one. Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks, Judge. Bye-bye.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lawson. Mr. Lawson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and registration. We seek dismissal.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case, Mr. Lawson, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right. Ogletree, not the attorney Ogletree. Mario Ogletree. I was waiting on the attorney Ogletree as well. This is the city of Detroit versus Mario Raphael Ogletree. Case number S1794603. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes,
Mario. Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Ogletree.
Mario Raphael Ogletree.
All right. Good morning to you. Day, date, and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Ogletree, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. I mean, he's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Pass the map.
That's coming out of it. And it was one of these cartridges. Yes, I am today.
All right, we're waiting on a lawyer.
I'm ready on two cases, Your Honor.
All right, who are you ready on?
Lorenzo Lockhart, we is requesting a bench trial date.
City of Detroit versus Lorenzo Lockhart Jr. Case number is SP1490285.1 counts 2.
They can't get it from being you plus me was the contest into the beat, but I had protection.
Mr. Lockhart's not ready.
Okay. Ready on Brandon Gaston.
All right. Let's go. City of Detroit versus Brandon Gaston, case number B131-43123. Here it is again, B131-43323, B131-43423, B131-43523, B129-94623, B129-94723. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Mr. Gaston, P number 69167. Mr. Gaston, can you state your full name?
Mr. Gaston, can you state your name for the record, please? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Brandon LaCharles Gatson.
All right. Is this investigator Fulkerson's case? Our day, date, and time set for a pretrial. What do you want to do? A trial date, Mr. Olson?
Yeah, this is investigator Fulkerson's case. Request there's a resolution of the matter.
What's going to be the resolution?
He's going to plead no contest to dog restraint, federal restrained dog, and then the nuisance. And that's going to be under both under a 6-month delayed sentence, and the balance will be dismissed.
And what's the purpose of the no contest plea?
Civil liability.
All right, you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objection from the city for that no contest plea?
No.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Indeed. Yes.
You put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial? Mr. Gatson?
I didn't hear you. It broke up.
You understand that you
just breaking up?
I'm gonna stop your video. Maybe that helps. Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
Nope.
If I take the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Nope.
All right, let me draw your attention back to August the 9th, 2023 at 8 a.m. in the morning. It doesn't give me an area. Let me see.
Your Honor, we're doing a no contest.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that no contest plea on your client's behalf?
Yes.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes.
And that's a no contest plea for the nuisance and the dog restraint, correct?
Yes.
All right. For purposes of sentencing, a no contest plea is going to be entered in and treated as a guilty plea. With that stipulation, I'll enter the no contest plea on behalf of the client. Six-month delay, right?
Yes, for both.
All right, I'm gonna just, how many dogs do you have?
He has two now.
I'm just gonna fine you the 140. I won't fine you for the other one.
The one dog was euthanized, Your Honor.
All right, I'll cut you a little bit of a break, 6-month delay. 240. Pay it by, I'm gonna set a review date. That'll be May the 14th. Did I say that for the last, I think it's gonna be May 14th. Let me
Is there
see.
another cartridge in here? Let me see.
May 14th, payment and any did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the did that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Don't get in any, let your dogs get out or anything like that again, and don't get any other tickets like this, and then we'll dismiss the case if it's paid. All right? Mr. Jackson, are you there?
Oh, they had me on mute. Yes, I heard you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, 240, have a very good day, best of luck to you.
All right, thank you. Have a great day.
You have a better one. Go ahead, Mr. Oaks.
Can we try again with Lockhart? My other client, Little John, I haven't seen him, and he hasn't responded since I've been appointed to my calls.
Okay, all right, Lockhart. Try it one more time. What's all this stuff in the background?
I apologize. I'm at Taco Bell using Wi-Fi right now. That's why I kept getting kicked out.
City of Detroit versus Lorenzo Lockhart. Case number SP 1490285, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1780420, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Audrey, by for Mr. Lockhart.
All right, unmute yourself. I'll trigger. State your name for the record, Mr. Lockhart.
Lorenzo Lockhart.
Lorenzo Lockhart. All right. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. What are we doing? What's Mr. Lockhart doing?
Requested a bench trial date.
All right, December the 9th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Lockhart, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Am I released on the other case, Your Honor?
Which one?
On Little John.
All right, I haven't seen Little John, so you're free to leave, Mr. Lockhart. All
right, thank you.
I haven't seen Little John.
Have a good day.
Lipscomb. Do we have a officer for Lipscomb? I think Garcia Barone.
It says, replace unsupported cartridge container. All right. Okay, so that was the last box out of there, right?
Three bag purchases?
They don't support the, that was IT.
Well, Garcia. Raw Garcia. Has anybody seen Officer Raw Garcia? All right, give me a second, Mr. Lipscomb.
IT, and I have been through 3 cartridges. And none of them supports it. So I was just trying to open up which one that would support the printer, but none of them. So now we out of the cartridge, I can't bring it out from the recorder. Um,
I'm just waiting on a lawyer.
Normally I know what you're talking about. Okay, mine is MX310. That's not me. You gonna bring one down? Okay, and then what if it's like 4 cartridges that's got to take away? You might wanna bring. They all of them, so and now you call IT and you bring it and check it too, so you might want to bring the cards so you can take. I was gonna throw them away. Okay, right back. It's a cartridge. Yeah, she said she's gonna look for one and then she gonna bring it up. Yours not working upstairs?
It just doesn't, it's light, it's simple. That's not the same.
I have to check the number on your printer because they got the numbers right here. For me. Like this one is MX13, so I don't know which one yours is. This the one here. I don't know when you look at these, they don't have no numbers. They don't have
All right, just wait. You should be able to get everybody out in short order once we get a prosecutor.
I can tell them the cartridge that we can put in press. Like if you need one for upstairs.
Let's do this. Let's Mr. Graves.
I can view it. You said Mr. Perkins is the chairman, sit right here.
Yes.
See that chart, right? Get out of here. Yeah, I guess what it really is too late. Come on. I was just. Oh, yeah, okay.
Ms. Harris?
Sorry about that.
Are we ready on anyone?
Not just yet. Waiting for a few updated offers, but I can start someone else if the court would like. I think we were ready on Lipscomb, although that case has not been called yet. Ms. Horn and I did discuss that before she went to her other courtroom.
Says, place unsupported cartridge. It's not the imaging unit because, and I had time.
Morning. What's your name, sir? Stephen Gavin. Say that again? Stephen Gavin. Stephen Gavin, good morning to you.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I found it.
Mr. Gavin, do you have your cell phone? Come up here, sir. Are you already on? I thought.
Turn it off. I think,
Stephen Eugene Gavin?
Yes, sir.
Dominique Lipscomb, he's got some other cases sitting there too that he needs to be arraigned on. Hey, Brett. What's she gonna do?
She's gonna go try to find someone.
Mr. Gavin, where is he?
He went back out in the hallway, Your Honor.
We need to find out if he had an attorney. So I don't know why this wasn't so.
Okay, if you can see it, Judge Graves is suspended. I can't print it.
All right, let's call it, no, that's good.
That's good, okay.
That's good. Let's use a piece of paper. Can you use sheets of paper?
You say you want to get this one?
No.
Did you want to press my stuff to the chambers? And I can go up there and get it.
No, I'll just go ahead and do like this, rolling around.
Oh, no, no.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Roland Keith Graham Jr. Case number SP 179-14611. And we'll also call into the record SP 173-43671. Appearance for the record, please.
Roland Keith Graham Jr.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. Good.
Ms. Harris? All right, let's pass it. She went back in the breakout. Ms. Harris, appearance for the record for let's go back on the record with Roland Keith Graham. Ms. Harris, can you put your appearance on the record for Roland Keith Graham, please?
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Graham, please state your name.
He already stated his name. All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. First and foremost, I've called the improper plate. You never paid that ticket.
It wasn't. Well, it was no insurance. And can I tell you what I had? I had a financial hardship going on, and the day of my court date, I had a death in the family. I don't know if you all heard it about that murder suicide that happened on 8 Mile and Griggs. That was the day of my court date. So I kind of totally forgot about that, but I kept calling into your courtroom, and I spoke with the clerk twice.
All right. Well, you say no more, Mr. Graham. He has this, and let me send my condolences to you and your family on that issue. That's just too bad. He has a driver license revoked, Ms. Harris. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him. We'll discuss the payment later. Ms. Harris is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer, Mr. Graham. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris, and let us know what you want to do when you come out. Just give her a minute to come in there, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Join the room. Pass the matter. All right, are we ready on, we get Lovejoy?
We're ready on Lovejoy, and we're ready on Carlin Green.
City of Detroit versus Catherine and Mary Ruth Lovejoy, case number SP 1793004, counts 1, 2, and 3. Good morning to you, Ms. Lovejoy. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lovejoy. Ms. Lovejoy, please state your name for the record.
Catherine Lovejoy.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. This is resolved with a blocking traffic.
That is correct, Your Honor. We stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Lovejoy?
Yes.
All right. For those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible in the count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Ms. Lovejoy?
Are you open on Saturdays?
No, but the DivDat kiosk is open all the time.
Yes. Saturday morning.
All right, I'll give you until Monday to get it in here. But have it in here, pay by November the 17th. You can pay it at the DivDat kiosk, and that's in the Myers and CVS's and places like that. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Ms. Lovejoy. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you so much, and you as well.
Thank you. All right. Are you ready on Carlin Green?
Ready.
Am I free to go?
Yes, you are, Ms. Lovejoy.
Thank you.
Yeah. This is the City of Detroit versus Carlin Levon Green. Case numbers SP 1783103, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1783154, 1. SP 1805433, counts 1, 2, and 3. here for the record, please?
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Green, please state your name for the record.
Harlan Levon Green.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning to y'all as well.
All right, Corporal Whitehead, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge, number, department for the record? All right, Corporal Whitehead, and then Police Officer Kurkowski's in the breakout room as well. All right, do we have a resolution?
We do, Your Honor. My client is going to admit responsibility to one count, defective bumper, fender, or windshield, which is case ending
101 SP and 1033.
That is correct, Your Honor. He would also admit to 2 counts of no valid registration. With the remaining matters being dismissed, we stipulate to the faces of the tickets for purposes of the factual basis, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Green?
Yes, I would.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm going to find you responsible for as charged to the defective bumper, windshield, or fender, and I'll find you responsible on 2 counts of no valid registration. All right, I will fine you for 1 registration and 1 defective equipment. And the other one, I'll fine you for that. That'd be $90 and $120. 210. Is that $90 and $120? 210. When can you pay?
Well, I'm getting out of the hole right now. Maybe hopefully by my birthday, December 17th, I can probably have it paid up. I'm still back in rent and back in bills and backed up, just backed all the way up.
Right. All right. Pay by December the 15th, and if you can't pay it by then you can. I don't have to mark payment plan for this one. You can automatically, on civil infractions, come down to the court and get into a payment plan. I wish you the best of luck. I hope. I'm sure it's going to get better. That's the storm. I hope it gets better sooner rather than later for you, Mr. Green. Best of luck to you. Okay.
All right.
Lipscomb. Let's go ahead and take care of Lipscomb now as well.
Work with a new vendor and they sending me aftermarket home. And I'm trying to tell them where our software is set up, we can't do aftermarket. It has to be the manufacturer. But it's funny, because some of them will be like 50-50. Some of them is actually accepted, some of them ain't. So I can't take that in. So I'm telling them to cut off it. But I had some manufacturer. You actually had it. She took it from you.
You said, oh, I had it?
Yeah.
Is that Mr.?
Oh, that's the one you took out? You took it?
It was in that box.
It is, Ms. Hunt. This is not.
Okay.
What did it say now?
Oh, it's in the paper.
Yeah, you actually had that one in there, so.
It was in that box, that Lexmark box, yeah.
All right, give me a second, Ms. Mathis.
All right.
Thank you. Getting our issue taken care of. Try.
Your Honor, while you're checking on the status of that case for Lipscomb, just a question. Did an officer Borsch check in today?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Dominique Mikel Lipscomb, case number SP 1780425, counts 1, 2, and 3. And those are ones that are scheduled for trial today. SP 1821294, counts 1 and counts 2. 19-505-4901, and State of Michigan versus Dominique Mikel Lipscomb, case number SX 4612619, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearing for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lipscomb, please state your name for the record.
Dominique Michael Lipscomb.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
As for the purposes of the ones that were scheduled for trial, is there an officer or Raul Garcia? I don't hear a response. I don't see that individual in the room, and either in the breakout room. And I guess you've already talked to Ms. Horn about.
Yeah. Defense moves to dismiss.
I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss no officer. As for the other matters, I don't know why this 95 case did not get put on the docket, but I guess we have some more to deal with anyway. Purposes of arraignment on those.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. You want a trial date? Just go straight to trial again, Mr. Lipscomb, or you want a pre-trial date?
You might as well just go straight to trial.
All right, come back on December the 4th. December the 4th at 9 a.m. Okay, for trial / hearing. December the 4th. There's nothing further, sir. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
There you go. Okay.
Your Honor, I'll just ask, was there an Officer Clark today?
Officer Clark. See. Hammond. No, I don't see an Officer Clark either.
Okay, and that would be on Grayson.
On Grayson? Can I get Grayson?
I'm here, by the way. If you're looking for Miss Grayson.
Good morning.
Grayson, sir.
Yes, try. City of Detroit versus Janae Grayson. Case number SP 1774920, counts 1, 2, and 3. Morning to you, Ms. Grayson.
How are you this morning?
I'm well. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Grayson, please state your name for the record.
Janae Marie Grayson.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. It does not appear complaining witness has appeared. Defense will move to dismiss.
All right, not have seen that officer in the room or any of the breakout rooms or on my list. I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss. There was nothing further, Ms. Grayson. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Still owe, case dismissed, ma'am. You still owe the insurance on the other ticket. If you pay that, those tickets, you could potentially be eligible for a license if you don't already have one. Best of luck to you, Ms. Grayson.
Okay, how can I see that other balance that I owe?
You can either just join the, just go on the 36th District website or come down to the court, put your name in.
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ogletree. Mr. Ogletree, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as having fixed the defective equipment as well as the other defective matter. And per the prosecutor, the matters are to be dismissed.
See if Ogletree is fine. All right, case dismissed, Mr. Ogletree. Best of luck to you. Have a very rest of your day.
Thank you, you too, sir.
Go. Overstreet.
No, this is short.
Mr. Green. Green. Overstreet, press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Overstreet, Brent Overstreet, press *6 to unmute yourself, please. All right, good.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
City of Detroit. Melanie Nicole Good, case number SP 177-4998, counts 1, 2, and 3. State your name for the record, Ms. Good.
Melanie Nicole Good.
Day is date and time set for a pre-trial, Mr. Berry. Put Ms. Good in a breakout room with you, Ms. Good. Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Excuse me, if you don't like the offer, you'll absolutely right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Join. Let's know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Roland Graham. Mr. Graham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. You want a trial date, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna call it trial date / review. Come back on December the 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay? December the
Okay.
8th, 2025, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very
Okay,
good rest
thanks.
of your. All right.
All right, thanks. So I get to leave?
Yeah, you can leave.
Okay.
Alfred Griffin, press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
Yeah, hello.
Good morning to you. Ms.
Good
Harris
morning, yes.
versus Alfred Griffin. Case numbers SP 1156589, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1233041, SP 1313590, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1341127, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1350312, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1526051, SP 1567770, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1580022, counts 1 and counts 2. U45139418, U55807120, 19309123, counts 1, 2, and 3. 19399876, counts 1, 2, and 3. 19504699, counts 1, 2, and 3. And 2172199781. Appear for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, standing in for attorney of record, Vassal Johnson. Could you please state your name for the record?
Alfred Griffin. Alfred Griffin.
All right. I counted 29, Ms. Harris. And then it's 30, and then you count you. Also in the record, U 25776515, U 34241116. Okay, that's 31. Ms. Harris, give Mr. Griffin an updated offer. We do have Officer Hamawi in the room. That's one officer here. We do have Officer Corporal Gorsh was here. He's not here now, I don't believe.
All right.
Officer Burr is here. Officer, good morning to you. Can you give me the correct pronunciation of your name, please?
Officer Hamawi?
Hamawi, can you turn your camera on, please?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you. Name,
Good morning,
badge,
sir.
number, department, please.
It's going to be Serene Hamawi, Officer 2540, 8th Precinct.
Okay, good. All right. And then Officer Burr, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge, number, department for the record, please?
Good morning, Officer Burr, badge 656.
Good morning to you. I don't know if we have any other officers here. All right, see if you can sort this out for Mr. Griffin, for the Burr, Hamawi.
I have a recommendation. I'll discuss it with him in the breakout room.
Very good. Join the room, Mr. Griffin, Ms. Harris is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for trial. Join him. He's in there, Ms. Harris.
And Your Honor, the people are just checking on 2 defendants to see if they've appeared, for which we have officers Avanta Graves.
Yes, he's here.
Okay, and Terrence Green.
No, I have not seen Green.
Your Honor, may I release officers Balaji, Rowley, and Spidell, Corporal Spidell?
You may.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
And then Mr. Berry needs to speak with you. I'll try to pull them out. Officer Kukowski and Corporal Whitehead, Carlin Green, he took a plea. I did mark you on the file as appeared. I tried to call your names and didn't respond. Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Happened. What happened to you? Unmute yourself. Give him advice or rights, yeah.
Nope.
Yeah, Gavin, what happened to you? Wasn't this something we already addressed before?
Yeah, but it was like years ago. I mean, way back in, I think like 2004.
Yeah, but didn't you come in here before, on this case? Why in front of me?
No, not recently.
When is the last time you've been in front of me? Have you been in front of me before?
Be honest, this is my first time ever meeting you.
Okay, very well. All right, I'm gonna get you an attorney. Give me a minute, please.
That's the way from Melanie the Good. Goode.
Boss is here.
Yep. I did see him and I let the officer know I saw him in the main session. But nobody's talked to me about him yet, so.
Good to see you, man.
She don't learn either. A good way or a bad way, I'm gonna tell her. Big old curls. Yeah. That's all right. You wanna go down to the first one? Thank you, ma'am.
Zoom user.
Judge Perkins, Mr. Martin, are you scheduled for court this morning?
Hello?
Unmute yourself, start your camera, sir. What's your name, please?
Hello? Deshaun Grant.
Why are you so late?
So I'm looking at a paper from our pre-trial, and I have it saying a different date than today. My mom just called me and asked me how did my court date go, and she sent me a picture of what came through the mail. So I have the wrong date, bro. It actually says November 15th, and that's a Saturday. You know, now I'm thinking that, but I wrote November 15th at 9 a.m.
Officer Nelson here. I think your officer, I know Officer Nelson did show up and Sergeant. Yeah, we excused you. We're gonna have to set you another day.
Yeah, my apologies. I have it wrote down for November 15th at 9 a.m. I don't know why I have it wrote down for the 15th.
I think we made a mistake one time. I do.
Oh, you do? Sorry about that.
I didn't say you.
I'm just apologizing.
Officer Nichols, MPO Douglas, good morning to you.
Morning, sir. How are you?
I'm good. All right, let's do Grant and let's just have, I don't know, maybe they can see if we can work something out. I don't know. I'll let you wait until you speak to the attorney.
Yes, sir.
Gavin, I'm gonna, I can assign you an attorney. You're gonna have some conditions to your bond. You're gonna be testing one time a week, all right?
Okay, that's fine.
All right, let's call it. And you can come up after we get through. City of Detroit versus Stephen Eugene Gavin. Case number SP, strike that, 05243631. State your name for the record, please.
Stephen Eugene Gavin.
Day, date, and time set for arraignment on the bench, or I'm gonna recall the warrant. Enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I can let you speak with a lawyer if you want to, but it's not gonna change the conditions that I'm gonna impose. I'll point a lawyer to you. Or, maybe with this older case, maybe you wanna just go straight to trial.
Trial. I'm not too familiar with the litigation process, so I was just actually, to be honest with you, I was just hoping, since it's been so long, I could just button this up and get a ticket and pay the ticket or anything like that.
It's not gonna be like that. This is a drunk driver, all right? So it's not just like one of these, no driver license suspended tickets or anything like that. And I know since it's been so old, you probably may get the benefit of it get dismissed. I don't know if officers, if they are still around, if they'll remember this, but I don't know. But I have to give them an opportunity to be heard. So Why don't I let you just go ahead and speak with the lawyer so you can get sort of your questions answered? I'm gonna give you a $500 personal bond. I'm gonna have you testing 1 time per week. No leaving the state of Michigan without the court's permission, and no drinking during the pendency of this case. I'm gonna give you an opportunity to speak with an attorney today, but I can appoint an attorney specifically for you. And maybe you and that attorney may come up with a better idea of just going straight to trial or not. I don't know. So let me pass it momentarily and I'll get you to speak with someone, all right?
Okay, so
Let's pass it. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with a lawyer once when I get back on the record. Let me take care of this good and I'll get you to speak with a lawyer, all right? Let's pass it. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Good. Ms. Good, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the offer of the people to allow her to enter a plea to 1 to 5 miles over for the charge of driving in an unsafe manner, and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Good?
Yes, sir.
So you admit to driving like this, huh?
Yes, sir.
And you don't even have a driver's license?
No, sir.
I can't really make sense of it. I guess you've probably been doing it so long that you just feel comfortable out there, huh? That you're not gonna get in trouble, caught. And what is it?
No, sir. It's not that I was feeling comfortable to drive or anything as to the matter. As you can see, I don't even have a car that's in my name. I was trying to help someone with their child as of enrolling them in the school. When I got to the location where the person was originally supposed to be, they were not there. So it's like cat chasing mouse. I was trying to get to the person because I had that child already with me to meet the meeting to enroll them in school. That was the only reason why I was driving.
You never had a license before?
No, sir.
And I bet you can come up with some other reasons why you were driving in the past then, huh?
No, sir. I'm only speaking upon this one. Since then, I have went to the Secretary of State. I've passed my my driver's test and everything. I'm not from the state of Michigan. I'm not sure if you could see. I'm from New Jersey. They would not accept the birth certificate that I have because it don't have my parents' name on there. And then also on the record, it said I have to bring my birth certificate in order to obtain my driver's license. But I did went and took my test and I passed and everything, sir.
That's why you were driving like that, because you're from New Jersey. That explains it. I see. I see. All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
You didn't read the ticket, did you, Mr.? And then guess what she said? She's got somebody's kid in the car too. Driving at a high rate of speed and was changing lanes without signals. Almost crashed into the police trying to go around. That sounds like some New Jersey. That sounds like some New Jersey, New York stuff, doesn't it?
It's unseen.
All right. You said that? You saw that?
Yes, sir.
All right. $125, Miss Good. When can you pay it?
I would be able to pay it Monday.
All right, pay it by the 17th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. I wish you the best of luck on getting that license.
Yes, sir.
Have a very good day.
You too. Thank you very much and happy holidays. Appreciate you.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Stephen Eugene Gavin. Mr. Berry, put your appearance on the record for Mr. Gavin, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Gavin. State your full name, sir.
Stephen Eugene Gavin.
All right, Mr. Gavin is here for an old 05 operating while intoxicated case. I give him a $5 personal bond. I have him tested one time per week, no leave the state of Michigan, no drinking, refer to probation. Mr. Gavin indicates that this is his first time dealing with the criminal justice system. So he needs to get some understanding on how this is gonna work. I'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry, who's dealt with the criminal justice system probably for over 50 years, except in a different capacity. So speak to him. I don't know if he wants to just go straight to trial, if he wants to sign an attorney. You can gather that information and kind of help Mr. Gavin on how he should proceed. And I need to have contact information from him from probation. I give him the number to probation to 313-965-3414. But we can give him that. He's at the courthouse. Mr. Gavin, join the breakout room and speak with Mr. Berry. Pass the matter. He's in there, Mr. Berry. Did you get your file for Jack? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. There's no ticket for Gavin, it's just a file.
No ticket?
Just a ROA.
Oh, okay, what's that, is it a Z ticket?
Well, it's not, it's just a whole file, it doesn't say Z.
Oh, okay, they probably can't, okay. Cause I said right now, so maybe they have to pull it off the wall.
Are we ready, Ms. Harris?
I'm gonna say yes, but I do need assistance with bringing Mr. Griffin out of the breakout room.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, there is currently an offer where Mr. Griffin could enter a plea to 1 count failing to display a valid license, 1 count of unregistered or improper plates, 1 count disregarding officer signal, and 1 more count loitering. The remaining matters would be dismissed. Mr. Griffin would like to know what would he be looking at in terms of fines and costs and or community service hours.
Community service hours. Do you need some drug treatment, sir?
Some what?
Some drug treatment
For what?
or alcohol treatment?
Nah, for what?
I mean, it's the nature of these offenses. I don't know what loitering.
Nah,
I don't know.
don't.
There's something else going on.
And Your Honor, we did have that conversation. It was my understanding that he did not need any type of specialty courts.
There's just a lot of loitering tickets.
I thought I only had 2.
Did you only have 2? That's 2 is 2 is 2 is a lot. You have 1, 2, 3 loitering tickets. You have disregarding officers twice. You got disorderly conduct. I mean, you know, that's more than I see. I've never seen somebody with 3 loitering tickets. But
Yeah, me either. Well, the one of them, I know for sure 2 of them, they just put loitering on there. One of them is actually probably in the loitering because I was in the establishment and we was just having something going on. And the other 2, they probably just wrote that down
Mr.
because
Griffin,
you
you might not want to say too much.
no, all right.
all right, you want to take the deal? I don't know what I'm going to do as far as sentencing is concerned. I haven't figured that out yet. Does that have any bearing on whether he takes the deal or not?
I believe so. Yes, Your Honor.
Well, what's he going to do about it? What's he going to do?
The concern is he doesn't know how much he might have to pay. I did explain that I explained the typical cost per misdemeanor. So he also wouldn't know if community service would be the better option based on his financial situation. Because he doesn't know how many hours he would have to do and if he would be able to make that work, I guess.
Did I not ask you to join in on so I can see you on the phone on Zoom? I think you joined in last time via Zoom, didn't you? I mean on the phone, didn't you?
Yeah, my video on the Zoom, it's not, it'll go in and out. Because remember, I work out here in the suburbs and there's not good connection out here.
Well, hang up and try to Zoom back in so I can see who Mr. Griffin is, all right?
Man, I'm going to try, man. It may not work, though.
All right, I'm not your man, but try.
Sorry about that. My bad. I was just talking. I'm going to try again and see if it works.
Okay. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Harris, let's go call the City of Detroit versus Quentin Michael Goss, case number SP 1784744, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 178474881. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Mr. Goss, please state your name for the record.
Quentin Michael Goss.
Good morning to you, sir. There's date and time set for a trial. We do have the officer here. Can you help me with the correct pronunciation of your name, officer?
Officer Ghazali, sir. Badge 4593. Officer Ghazali, badge number 4593.
All right, good morning to you, Officer Ghazali.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let's go with getting Mr. Goss an updated officer. Keep in mind, Mr. Goss, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to trial. Join the room, please. All right, let's pass the matter. He can stay in here now.
Sir, you can stay here, just turn your phone off.
His office is still echoing. I don't know why.
You can stay here.
I got it. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gavin. Mr. Gavin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, you got to understand. Step up, Mr. Gavin. Do you have a better understanding of what's going on now?
Time I spoke with them, I understand a little bit better what's going on.
What are your questions?
My questions is basically the trial. You mentioned trial, that threw me.
So basically, essentially, either you take a plea and plead guilty to drunk driving, and then we go straight, we'll sentence you on that. or you have a trial and they can either find you guilty. Now, this is a 20-year-old case. Whether the officer still works for the force, I don't know. What's gonna happen with that? You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, those are your options. So that's why I was either gonna appoint an attorney to you so that they can help you make the decision.
And that's the route we'd like to take, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do? Sure. Well, it's up to you. These are your cases. This is your case. You're in charge. You're driving the bus.
Well, after my legal counseling, we have decided.
There you are. I need a good phone number from you, but you don't have to say it out loud. You don't want everybody to know it. You can write it down on a piece of paper and give it to me. But
it's in the chat, Your Honor.
It's in the chat. There you go. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set a pretrial date. You're gonna be under the same terms that anyone else has with the drunk driving first for me. And that's the testing and those requirements. So there's no drinking during the pendency of this. If the day is Thursday, you will have, I want to test every week. I do understand that we're getting toward the end of the week here, and you may not be able to get one in today. I don't know if we can get you probation today, so you can do it one-stop shop and make sure that you're fully aware and you don't have to wait on a call. If we can do that, we'll do that. But I need a test by next week, and every week thereafter. I need you also to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on December the 4th at 8:30. Ms. Mathis will give you some paperwork to that regard, so you'll know your next court date. Do you have any further questions?
I was just wondering, Thanksgiving is coming up, and I have a brother that's out of town, so I was asking for permission to end the holiday with him.
All right. And that is out of the state?
Yes, Columbus, Ohio.
Columbus, Ohio. All right, I'll grant you permission to leave the state.
Thank you.
When are you talking about leaving?
The day before Thanksgiving, so Thanksgiving Eve.
So the 20, so the 26th. When are you coming back?
Thanksgiving night.
Oh, so you're only spending one night there. All right, so that doesn't give you permission to partake in those beverages and stuff like that that they do on Thanksgiving.
Clean and sober since Black Friday 2022.
The wrong hand.
Thought it was right hand over.
Oh, is it? All right. Since when?
Black Friday 2022.
Congratulations. All right, very good. All right, so you shouldn't have any problem testing. Go ahead.
Will there be like paperwork that I'm supposed to pick up that's gonna let me know where to go for the
Yeah, Ms. Mathis is gonna get you, we're gonna try to get you set up today.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, best of luck to you. Enjoy your holiday too.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, what do we have next, Mr. Barry? I guess you're waiting on me to say that,
I see, sir.
Overstreet, never. Let's go with Mr. Can you work something out for Mr. Graves? for Mr. Graves. He's here in person. He has one, the officer did not show, and Officer Douglas, NPO Douglas did show.
This is Avanta Graves?
Avanta Graves. See if you can work it out, and then once you have it worked out, we'll put it on the record.
Yes, Your Honor.
He's already signed an advice of rights form. It's just a driving license, a no-ops case. I don't know if you've had a recommendation on this at all, Officer Nichols or not, NPO Nichols or not.
Any chance I could speak with Mr. Graves?
Yeah, let's get him on the phone. He doesn't have a phone. Let's get him on the phone. Get him on my phone, please. Thank you. You're welcome. All right. Let's call it City of Detroit versus Avanta Graves, case number SP 961 your meeting ID followed by 7031 and 2274933341. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Graves, could you state your full name?
Avante Graves. Avante Graves. All right, good morning to you. Mr. Graves, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? He's in there now.
Could we, does Mr. Graves have a license? Could we check that out?
No.
He does not. All right. Okay.
He's in the breakout room. Wait on Mr. Berry, Mr. Graves.
Yes.
Wait on Mr. Berry.
Yes, he's
coming
coming
to
to
the
the
phone. Who's on the Motorola Moto G? Oh, he's. Ms. Harris, are we ready on Goss?
Ready, Your Honor.
And let's go back on the record with Mr. Goss. Mr. Goss, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to the seatbelt violation as well as the improper equipment, with the misdemeanor matter being dismissed.
You want to do it? You want to take the deal, Mr. Goss?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
I stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. Find your client responsible for the amended count of as charged the seatbelt violation and the improper equipment. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor insurance. For the improper equipment, I'll fine you $120. I'll cut you a break on the seatbelt ticket. $120. When can you pay it?
I can pay it like next month.
December the 15th. Pay it at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm going to upload the div that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Oh, okay, Your Honor. So what they said, like a ticket in the mail with how much I gotta pay.
No, I just told you.
Oh, okay, all right, I understand.
Or it'll be online. You can go online and see, just type your name in, 36 District Court website, look up your case.
Oh, okay then.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, you too.
All right, Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit. Versus Deshaun Grant, case number SP 174-8718, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 174-8719, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1780611, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherica Harris on behalf of Grant, please state your name for the record.
All right, Mr. Grant, he came in late. Officer Sergeant Creech was here and Officer Nelson was here. I excused them. So I don't know if you can work it out or you reset it. Speak to Mr. Grant in the breakout room. Mr. Grant, Mr. Harris is going to try to work it out, but if not, we'll reset it for another trial date. Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Excuse me, Your Honor, this is Corporal Whitehead. Did you call Mr. Green?
Yeah. Mr. Green's gone. He took he pledged to some civil infractions, if I remember correctly.
Okay.
Be safe. Very good. Have a very good rest of your day. On the phone at 313-758-8191. Good morning to you. Who's that?
Hey, it's me, Alfred Griffin again. I tried to go on video. I synced you, and then it went out. I can't. It won't connect out here. I'm out here in this city. It ain't got a good connection.
All right.
I'm standing outside now.
All right. Give me a minute.
All right. You ever think of the, excuse me, Judge, you think of the total or the sentence, whatever?
I'm trying to figure it out now.
All right, because I'm trying to think, is it better for me to come in, or if you say it now, I could just do whatever now, but I'm thinking, man, if I get in this situation again, I'm going to have to go meet person. Because this Zoom ain't working right for me.
But it has nothing to do with Zoom.
I can't connect to the video. It's not.
No, I know that, but I'm talking about, I'm looking beyond that now. I'm talking about all these tickets. What I should do as far as fines and costs and sentence. Done? You worked it out? Yeah. What is the advice or rights? It's right here, Judge. I mean, I would like to get this thing over. Yeah. You see yourself on TikTok? Did I see myself on TikTok? No, I didn't watch it. You didn't see it? I see you on there. I said, that's my judge I had on the corner. But you got TikTok, why can't you zoom in? Oh, you use my phone. Oh. I don't have one. I got to get 6 months in Macomb County. I ain't got to get on my PTM. Oh, you did 6 months? Yeah, I'm on probation in Macomb County now. All right.
I haven't tried to get back on my feet yet.
All right,
Trying to get there.
you get there. Keep on trying. You get there. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Graves. Mr. Graves, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Mr. Berry, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to allowing for the no operator's license on person, the other matter to be dismissed.
All right. And you want to take the deal, Mr. Gray? Step on up.
Hello, you talking to me?
Hold on, Griffin. No, I'm not talking to you.
Yes, sir.
Mr.
No,
Gray,
I couldn't.
Mr. Griffin, hold on.
No, I couldn't hear you.
Mr. Gray, do you want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
As a matter of fact, you came in, you read this advice of rights form?
Yes, sir.
And you signed the form, did you not?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand everything that was on the form?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about the form?
No, sir.
All right. You know you'll be giving these rights up when you take this deal.
Yes, sir.
All right. Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, very good. Let me draw your attention. Back to September the 15th, 2022 at around 8:09 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Justine and what?
There's Officer Nichols. That'll be East Hilldale and Justine Street.
Okay, very well. Thank you, Officer Nichols. Officer Nichols, put your name, badge number, department on the record, please.
Douglas D. Nichols, Detroit Police Badge 1784.
All right. Were you on that date and time in the city of Detroit, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I don't have a driver's license.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll discuss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. When did you get out of, you told me that last time.
Yeah, I was here a couple weeks ago. I got out, I've been out one time, from out of Macomb County. I'm on probation for 2 years.
That's good.
I'm gonna, pardon me. Say that again, Officer W.O. Nichols. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give you 3 days Wayne County Jail. And I'll give you credit for time served. All right. I don't understand. It looks like I don't have to go back to jail.
I'm looking like, I'm telling like, he told me that's the last time I heard that, man. It was 180. I'm like, man.
He froze up.
Yeah, froze up. I'm like, man. I'm trying. I'm getting the buzz down here, getting down here. Good. I ain't got a phone. I said, hey, Zoom. I got to get down there somehow. But luckily, you let me use your phone.
He's like, damn, my shit didn't come down. No. So you indicated that you did time in the Wayne County.
Yeah, I got
in the Oakland County jail. You have the proof of that?
I had it. I took it out of my pocket this morning.
I believe.
Yes, I did 6 months in Macomb County, and now I'm on probation.
So basically, this happened before you went to jail. So I'm giving you credit for that time.
Okay, thank you.
All right. So you don't have to pay any fines and costs.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Better?
Yeah, that sounds, you said 3 days. I'm looking like,
well, you couldn't go anywhere.
I know. Well, I know. You're right there waiting on me. I'm like, man, 3 days? Jesus Christ.
So,
I've been eating that garbage food for the last 6 months.
so,
Thank you, Judge, I appreciate it.
do you want to do some community service to clear this other stuff up?
I guess again,
You want to?
I will, I mean, yeah.
18 hours of community service will zero your account out.
What's well?
You owe 800, well, not quite. You owe 700 some odd dollars.
It's 18 hours to turn up. Oh, yeah.
That sound good?
Sound great. Sound great.
I'll tell you what, he knows when he sees a good deal. All right. I do need a contact information for you.
Yeah, the number that I have on file, my mother number.
What is it?
313-778-0680.
Maybe you get with somebody here and you make some relationships and you're not are you working now?
No, I see psychiatry every month. I'm trying to get my disability. My bipolar is brain, CSB.
You seem to be doing pretty well.
Yeah, well, I was on opiates real bad, but when I went to the county, I got clean. I got cleaned in the county. I was forced to get clean. I went to I was out. That's why I was in jail, retail fraud, still in transport. I had it.
So how do you? Like I say, you came in here looking pretty clean, and clear mind last time.
Yeah.
So how do you not go reuse? What do you do?
I get treated for it now.
Oh, you're in treatment?
Yeah, I get Suboxone. I take Suboxone as an opiate blocker, and I see psychiatry when I get my mental medication. I'm prescribed that from a doctor.
Okay. And it works.
That works. I'll take one a day. That's prescribed. It worked. I had to use it for 6 months. That was.
Well, you were forced not to use it.
I was forced. Yeah, I was forced. Yeah, that was hard. It was hard. That detox, man, ain't no joke. That you make you want to kill yourself.
Does it make you not want to use ever again?
Yeah, I don't want to go through that. I went that on my worst enemy. I mean, excuse my breath. That's horrible. I mean, sick, diarrhea, can't do nothing. Can't eat. You don't want to shower because you're overwhelmed, depressed, sad. It was just too much. But they had a program off. They got a program in Macomb County Jail too, where they give you Suboxone. It's called a MAT program. They treat you for if you opiate use.
I'm gonna set review for December the 15th, 2025. We'll give you 30 days to do it. Let's see if Mr. Mathis can get you set up before you leave. I know you got a lot going on. It's not
bad today.
All right. All right. So I wish you the best of luck. She's gonna try to get you set up with probation before you leave. So that way you don't have to keep coming back and you'll know what you can do. Maybe you can go down there and see them today.
Okay, I'm on probation.
No. No, it's community service. Community service.
Okay, I'm done.
Community service. The other stuff is over. This is just community service for the fines and costs you owe for civil infractions. I misspoke. It's not probation.
Okay, that's
what it's community service.
Okay, now I'm gonna make sure my face officer, I told her that she knew about what's going on here. When I got released from Macomb, I had a hole here. Wayne came and got me. She knew what's going on, so I won't be violated.
No, you won't have anything going on here. Everything misdemeanor wise is closed out, and then we'll just clear up the civil infractions with the community service.
Okay. Where's it?
That's what she's gonna
the probation
officer set you up, and you go down to I should have said community service coordinator instead of probation.
Okay.
You go down to the probation, see Ms. Shelton if we can get you down there today. And then you can talk about it.
Okay, so do I have any more tickets?
No.
So I get my license back now?
Yeah, you could have got your license back. Nothing here was holding you up.
Really?
Yeah.
All that time I ain't never had a license. I've been scared to come down here.
Yeah.
The only reason I came now is because I was in jail. I would never come to court. I get tickets. I remember he stopped me the morning to my daughter's school. I remember he was taking me to jail, but he gave me a pass. I made a wrong turn. I remember.
I can believe it, officer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I remember he called me. I made a wrong turn on Justine Street, and he called me right there. I'll take my daughter to school. Hey, that was red. Stupid.
You knew you were making the wrong
yes,
turn.
Sir. And I had a license at 8 or 9 in the morning. Yeah. And he called. He would take me to jail. I would take my daughter to school. He probably would take me.
How's your daughter doing?
Hello. Hello?
Hold on, Mr. Griffin.
You ready to go?
Hello?
All right, so, just do the community service and we'll clear up your balance here, all right?
Yeah, just community service.
Now go to the license.
Do I gotta do the community service first? What's my
No.
license?
Go to Secretary of State.
No, I mean, not today, but maybe.
Yeah, whenever, yes. If you can get there today, go today, see if they'll give you a license. Nothing here is blocking your license. I don't know if there's anything else, somewhere else blocking it, but nothing here is blocking you from getting a license.
Okay.
All right, best of luck. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
All right, all right. Stay out those opioids.
Yes, sir.
You gonna wait for his paper?
All right, let's pass. All right, I'm Gil Nichols. Be safe. Have a very good rest of your day, and I'll see you soon at the meeting.
Good, sir. Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting that the trial be reset.
All right, Mr. Grant, come back on December the 8th, 2025. And you don't have to wait on your mom to tell you this now. I think we messed up that last time, because if I remember correctly, we gave out 1 or 2 dates on the 15th, but now you know, December the 8th.
Yes, sir.
Be safe, have a very good rest of your day. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin. Now, Mr. Griffin, press star 6 to unmute yourself.
Hello?
Mr. Griffin,
Yeah, I can hear you.
I'm gonna go ahead and
I can't.
Can you hear me now?
Hold on, wait. Hold on. I gotta get away from the lawnmowers. They too loud. Hold on. All right, I can hear you now.
All right. So, Mr. Griffin, I'm on 48 hours of community service.
You said 28 or 48?
48. Or
Okay.
$960.
That's 500?
900.
900?
Yes. Which one do you want?
Man, I guess I'm gonna have to do, community service. It's a lot of hours, but I guess I gotta do it, man.
That's not a lot of hours. As a matter of fact, they want me to give you double that at least. That's not a lot of hours at all. This is a lot of cases. And we're not even talking about what you owe for this other violation of Marijuana Act. That, if you want to clear that up, that's going to be an extra 12 hours. It's going to be 60 hours of community service to clear everything up.
All right, well, we are looking at community service and
I thought that would be an easy decision.
what? I couldn't hear you.
I thought that would be an easy decision, but that's not me. I mean, that's me. What do you want to do, sir?
The community.
All right, raise your right hand, please.
Yep.
Is your right hand raised?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Now you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yeah, she did.
Did you understand those rights?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you have any questions about those rights?
Not right now.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Excuse me, I didn't hear you.
Has anyone offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Oh, no.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 10th, 2024, at around 1:46 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of 7 Mile and Grand River. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yeah. Yes.
All right. What was over there?
That was probably that loitering, right? I think that was the gas station situation.
All right, and you were asked to leave that place of business?
Yeah, probably on that one, yeah. On the one on the loitering. I got two loitering, I think, there.
Wait a minute, stop. Do you recall this date and this incident?
Yeah, I remember I got that loitering ticket there at that 7 Mile gas station.
Mr. Griffin, just answer yes or no, please.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. You recall this being in this gas station and being asked to leave the gas station?
Yeah. Yes.
And did you refuse to leave the gas station when the owner asked you to leave, or the attendant asked you to leave?
It was the police that told me to leave, and then he seen me again. Yeah.
Okay, so you didn't you left and you came back, or you didn't leave?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, I can't hardly. It was something like that. I don't even think I left yet, but he just called me up there again, and then he was like, "All right, I'm gonna write the ticket." Like that.
Right.
That's how it went.
So he told you to leave, you left, and you came back again, right?
Yeah, or I didn't leave. It was one of them. I can't really remember. It was something like that. I either stayed up there or I came back up there, and he was up there again. Something like that.
What are you doing out there?
Yeah, I was just talking really outside, and then maybe, well, how it all started really was probably we got into it with the clerks and stuff, and then that's how it kind of built up like that, and then the deputy, the lieutenant, he came in and was like, "All right, whoop whoop, leave, blah blah," and then that was that, and then I came back up there.
I don't know what you mean by whoop, blah blah.
Oh, well, he was saying what he was saying, and then I guess I came back up there, or I was still there and didn't leave yet, and then he wrote me up for that.
So you're arguing with the attendant, so he had to ask you to leave, didn't he?
Yeah. It was, see, I don't, because it's another situation, too, that happened, and I think it was up there, and they might have said loitering, too, as well. Because the other situation, I wasn't really loitering. They just gave me a loitering ticket because I was up there. And it was the same lieutenant, too. It was just I was up there. I had grabbed some smokes, went outside. I had lit my cigarette, and I was there smoking it. And then I wasn't loitering. And that was the whole thing that the police took it out. He took it kind of, but I wasn't mad at him. It was just that I was there smoking it, and he already know who I was. But I was waiting on my mama to get there. I was getting a ride from my mama, so she pulled up, and I went back in the gas station to get the gas for my mama. So when I came back out, he was talking to her and all that, and then he thought I was loitering right there. He thought I was like kind of lying that day. But I was actually waiting on my mama, and she pulled up, and I was pumping her gas. So that was that. But and he wrote me up loitering for that. So I ain't really mad at that one either. but I don't know if that's on there.
You don't get too mad at all, do you?
Who?
You.
Oh no, man. Yeah, I do. Who you talking about? Yeah, I get mad. I was mad when I was on hold for 4 hours for y'all. But it's all good though.
Ms. Harris, I don't know how to make a factual basis. He's, I mean, if he doesn't recall, we can probably take a no contest plea. But I don't know if this is the time that he's disregarding the officer's signal. This is one, and then there's another one where he has the same sort of charges on the 24th of May. And this incident seems to have risen on the 10th of May. So it's right around the same time.
Yeah, that's it there. Yep, that's it. That was both at the the BP at the 7 Mile gas station. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so yeah, he wrote them two up. I think the same lieutenant.
Well, on the occasion, not the occasion where the occasion where you were by yourself and the officer asked you to leave, you either left and came back or didn't leave.
Yeah, that one.
I'd like to know by balance and.
Let me know if Ms. Harris, you can help me out, please.
I think the court is doing a wonderful job here, but I will say that Attorney Vassal Johnson is the attorney of record. I was merely attempting to stand in. It might be best for Attorney Johnson to come so that maybe they've had a discussion and he can do the factual basis. But if the city has no objection to a no contest, that might help us also.
Or if you well, go ahead, Ms. Horn.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit. No objection, Your Honor. But if it, yeah, I think that is probably necessary here.
What's necessary?
A no contest plea, because there's a lot of,
yeah.
I know you're working very hard on it, Your Honor. I appreciate you.
Too hard. All right, I'm muted. So unmute yourself, Mr. Griffin. I'm going to give him a no contest plea, and I'm going to just go ahead. No contest plea on all of them for lack of recollection.
Hello, I'm here.
All right, so I'm gonna enter a no contest plea on these cases, sir. That means simply on your client's behalf to the face of the ticket, Ms. Harris, as an accurate factual basis for those no contest pleas.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'm gonna find your client. I'm entering no contest plea. I'm gonna treat the no contest plea will be treated as a guilty plea for sentencing purposes. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. And I'm gonna, you wanna do community service, right?
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes, His Honor.
I'm gonna allow him to do 60 hours of community service to clear this up.
Okay.
Is this a good phone number from you?
Yeah. Yep. Yes.
And I'm gonna refer this to community service. Ms. Shelton is gonna give you a call. I'm gonna give you 30 days to complete it, okay?
Okay. Yes.
December 15th is your next court date. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be Ms. Shelton.
Okay.
If you don't hear from her in about a week or so, get back in touch with the court, okay?
Yes.
If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Is this a delayed sentence or no?
Yes, Your Honor, the
You,
loitering charges,
Delayed
6
for
months, 6 months, Your
6
Honor.
Right, you'll have two review dates. One is May the 14th, 2026, and then come back December the 15th. Let me see if you've gotten going on the community service, okay?
yes, sir.
All right, if you don't have anything further, Mr. Griffin, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, you too. Thanks.
Yeah, well, tell your mom we say hi.
Okay.
All right,
All right, thanks.
best of luck.
Yeah, what, I hang up now or?
Yes, you can hang up. Make sure you come back on the 15th of December. Is that it? Brent Overstreet, I think he fell asleep. Brent Overstreet. All right. I think that'll do it, Officer Alani, and her, be safe out there for the rest of your day.
Thank you, sir. You have a good day, sir.
Thank you.
I tried to contact Overstreet. They called back. He didn't respond. I call his name anytime. All right, Ms. Harris, I think you'll probably be gone. You're not gonna be here tomorrow, I think. And Mr. Berry, have a very good day. I'll see you tomorrow. Ms. Horn, I'll see you tomorrow. Ms. Mathis, Officer Wilson. Everybody have a very good, and Ms.